So this year at the Centerstone Lake Aire, we have room 26. Last year I had room 27. Pretty much identical room. It's just backwards. The bed faced the right, and this year the bed faces the left. But all the other features are the same. Has a little TV that comes out. So if you want to watch it from the bed, it swivels. And then there's a window that will open if you want some fresh air. This is king size bed, and this is my favorite part. So this is what they call a king hot tub room, and this is why I rent this. So I like to relax. I don't have a big huge bathtub in my house, just like the standard bathtub. So there's a closet here in the front, and it has a washer, how silly. It has an ironing board and iron. That was silly. But they did this new paint, they remodeled, and then there's this little kitchen, dining room, mini kitchen dining room thing over here. Coffee, get some ice, refrigerator, microwave. They do have some rooms here, I know, that have like more kitchen equipment than this. And then you have a bathroom, and you have still a small tub shower combination. This looks like it's kind of new. That cover looks kind of new. But yeah, this is a really nice place to stay at if you're not into camping, or like they do have cabins in other places near here, but I like this resort. It's just 2 people, but I know they have bigger rooms, and then it's right on this lake. Maybe we'll go watch the sunset soon. So room 26, king hot tub. It's a nice size too. So this is the Lake Aire in Tomahawk, Wisconsin. So this will be our 2nd year staying here at the Lake Aire. It's really beautiful right here on the lake, and we like sitting out and watching the sunsets in the evenings. And one of the best parts, it's right down the street from the Windmill ice cream shop. They have delicious ice cream and very reasonable price. This resort also has a sand volleyball court, and horseshoes. I played horseshoes and had a sore arm the next day. And this little lovely area behind the office you can walk over to. And that deck has a grill that you can use. Lots of places to sit out there. It's really nice. And they do have a small continental breakfast in the mornings. And I hope you would give this video a like. Thanks so much for watching.